Luke Ray here from YouTube CB and Bulletproof Email Solution. Got an email from a subscriber and they said, can you really make $100,000 per year with ClickBank? And the answer is, oh yeah. It isn't really that hard. It's just hard to believe that you can. Here is the thing you need to do. Okay. I talk about YouTube as being a great way to build some momentum in any niche you want to break into. If you can make real videos, you're not afraid to sit there and talk to people, and you can converse on the topic and somewhat competently, as if you really know what you're talking about. If you have friends or it's a passion or something like that. For me, I could do it with the keto dieting. I can do it with learning to play guitars. I could do it on internet marketing. There's a number of things I'm passionate about. You may be passionate about cooking. Well, obviously, there's tons of cookbooks on ClickBank you can do. You may be passionate about woodworking. There's products there. There's products about training your animals. There's products about learning new languages. There's a whole bunch of things that you can find. And if you can converse intelligently on that product, there's no reason why not to sit in front of your Camtasia camera on your computer and talk about it. And just create a little video and a channel focused specifically on that topic. Now, making 100 grand a year doesn't happen immediately. If you do the math, that works out to $300 per day. Okay. If your average commission is 27 bucks on a product, that means you got to sell 10 products a day. If you get one product sale off of 500 views of your video, that means you got to have 5,000 views of your videos to make $100. $300 a day. So that's sort of math. You got to go through and do that kind of math, and then you have to figure out, okay, if I got to get 5,000 views a day, how do I get that 5,000 views? Because you're not going to get it day one with YouTube. So then you want to actually take and amplify your income by adding in the things we say you don't really need to have to make money with YouTube. And it's true, you really don't. You can just put links and get those orders. But if you want to amplify that income, you want to build a community, or kind of Facebook fan page, or Facebook page, I guess they call it now. And then everything you post to that page as well. And you also want to ask those people to join your email list so that you can trickle market or just kind of send them an autoresponder sequence. Those two steps alone will amplify your income. So suddenly having to get 5,000 views a day to make $300 is not nearly as daunting because you got something going on on a continuous basis. So to do that, what you want to do is you want to get an autoresponder like GetResponse, and you want to create a landing page using GetResponse's landing page editor, and you want to include a link in every single video you do. If you want to amplify your income, click here, and it will take them through your autoresponder sequence. Excellent thing to do, and you'll start very slowly picking up a lead here, a lead there. As you build your YouTube channel, you'll be building these other things as well. Now, I also use my email list to build my YouTube channel and to build my social media following. Now, why I like fan pages is I can just post content to it. I post on my YouTube videos, and whenever I do a YouTube video like this one here, it's not only going to my YouTube channel, it's going to my fan page. So I pick up likes and views there. I can pick up shares. I pick up all sorts of additional traffic that allows me to virally grow my following, and it does a lot of different things. It brings people into this channel. It allows me to show my affiliate links more frequently to a bigger, diverse group of people that I've never even reached through YouTube side, and it allows me to pull them into our autoresponder sequence where I can brand myself as the guy that knows how to do this stuff. That's how you can build up a $100,000 a year business really easy. Now, I've built up millions of dollars. I can show you screenshots, but I mean, everyone goes, oh yeah, a screenshot, everyone can do that. Well, I can show you screenshots. I can show you pictures of my boat and stuff like that, that I used to live that lifestyle until I realized that wasn't me, and I moved to Texas and simplified my life dramatically. But you can make 100 grand a year easy if you stay consistent, follow the path. I highly recommend YouTube CB and Bulletproof Email Solution if you want to put the two together and amplify your income. You're going to be on the fast track. It may take a year to get up to $300 a day. It may take 2 years. But if you stay consistent and keep pumping away at it, you will eventually get there. And it doesn't take a lot of money. Don't waste money on stuff you don't need. Unless you're really ready to amplify, then I recommend you go after something like the John Christini training that we offer in our members area. You guys have a great day.